Sometimes you just need to escape to find a moment where the noise of everyday's life fades away. In the rush of everyday's life, where time slips through our fingers like sand, there comes a moment, a whisper from within, telling us to take a breath, to leave behind the hustle, the noise, the endless demands. So I don't want to lose this weekend, rather choose to make some memories. So guys, pack your bags, grab your helmet and join me for this Pechiparai.
അളിയെന്ന് ഇറങ്ങിയിരുന്നോ?
ആടാ ഞാൻ Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Kilometer. ആദ്യമേ തന്നെ let me give a short introduction about my channel. This channel is all about traveling, exploring, motovlogging, trekking, hiking, adventures and happening in my life. And if you have the same niche, kindly show some love in form of your precious subscription. Today's video is all about motovlogging and exploration of some offbeat location in Tamil Nadu, that is Pechiparai, which is located in Kanyakumari district. And guys, just roll on to the video. The destination is about 70 kilometers away from my location, which may take 2 hours of riding through these beautiful, speechless, scenic roads. And we had stopped here so as to take some snaps. I am really sorry that I had missed something. I am not alone in this ride. A close friend of mine is also accompanying me in this ride on his R15V4 and I am on my V3.
എന്തോ തിരക്കടായി.
Soon we have reached another beautiful location, Netta, which is located in Kerala Tamil Nadu border, and I soon do another ride exclusively for this location as well.
Yo, mangi. നമ്മൾ സ്ട്രൈറ്റ് പോകുന്ന വഴിയാണ് തൃപ്പര പോകുന്നത്. എൻ്റെ വണ്ടി ഇതിൽ ക്യാമറയിൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് അറിയില്ല.
These roads between those estates are definitely a heartwarming beauty, which we have enjoyed a lot.
ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ മറച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് അവർ. ന്യൂ അമ്പാടി എസ്റ്റേറ്റ്, കുലശേഖരം.
Soon we had realized that these roads are pretty and we definitely need some snap as well.
ഇത് വേറൊരു ഡാമാണ്. ഇതാണ് ചിറ്റാർ ഡാം. നൈസ്. എന്ത്
Oh man. And we finally reached our destination, Pechiparai. And the view from here was wonderful.
എന്താന്ന് ഇതിലൊരു നല്ലൊരു വ്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. ഇതാണ് കുളം. റിസർവയറിലാണ് കുളിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ. പെച്ചിപ്പാറ ഡാം. വെള്ളമില്ല.
When we say about the dam, it is an earthen and masonry dam which has a length of approximate 3 kilometers and have a height of 11 meters. The dam's reservoir, known as Pechiparai Reservoir, has a storage capacity of about 15 million cubic meters of water. The dam primarily collects water from Pachiparai River, which is a tributary of Nayar Dam. And now we are heading towards Dam's reservoir area, which is located almost 1 kilometer away from dam front.
വഴി തീർന്നോ? ഇപ്പം അല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞ കറക്റ്റ് വഴി തെറ്റിയുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കണ്ട ഈ വഴി കയറി അവിടെ റിസർവയർ എന്തോ എന്താ വാ തിരിച്ചിട്ട് വരാം. അങ്ങോട്ടൊന്നും ഇല്ലടാ.
At this point of time, we are unaware that there is a beautiful location down there.
PWD എവിടെ?
And it was some locals who said that there is a destination down there and you should definitely visit that one. A gentle movement of trees, the distant sound of flowing water, and the rich history that leaves every stone of this place made Pechiparai not just a destination, but a story waiting to be told. So come, take a moment to pause, to breathe, and to reconnect with your hearts of Kanyakumari.